Trump is not staging a coup in the United States. Donald Trump is a
Good for mosquito.
Donald Trump is a
Ano naman ang sili? We have a chili again. At saka ito pampabango sa pagkain. At saka pang paanghang. This is our dinner tonight. I'm gonna make mashed potato. And this is T-bones. I marinate now. I'm gonna cook in barbecue. T-bones. Yummy, yummy T-bones. Mashed potato partner with T-bones. Dinner for tonight. Ayan, I'm cooking early for our dinner. Nobody sleep yet, so. T-bones. I just brought it today. The smoke good for mosquito. For lamok, any insect. Husband loves in barbecue. There we go. Dinner time.
$30 at least.
Barbecue.
Or 35.
Pork and asparagus and baby spinach. Here we go. Dinner for tonight. This is our yakisoba. Very simple yakisoba. Birthday to my niece. Happy birthday to my baby girl. I got two niece, 18 years old now. Let's get ready to rumble. I'm cooking the pancit, pulong lipong long life. Good health and para we from any harm. Why, Delilah? Tududut. Happy birthday to my baby Princess Joy. She's going to finish her study until she got it. May pansit. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my baby niece, Princess Joy Navarro Garcia. I think this is cooked now. May pansit, noodles. Long live, long life.
This decision is beach or pool, and your only appointment is at the day.
Cook early, hapunan. Carrots. Turkey sausage. With carrots, potato, asparagus, garlic, onion, black pepper, olive oil, little bit salt. Masarap na. Okay. Put spring onion and some cabbage. Just in the side. Half-cook lang yung cabbage tsaka spring onion. And veggie. Ulam ko. Isang tilapiyang slice na isda. Fish. Tsaka may mga dahon-dahon galing sa aking tanim-tanim. Mga tanim-tanim. Ito. Halo-halo. Dahon. Sili. Merong dahon ng ampalaya. Talbos. Kaunti-unti. Halo-halo. Isa lang sili ilagay. Tapos ito. Ilagay ko rin. Sa soup. Yan si Bob pwede dito. Pwede siya yan. Ito. This one. Nilagyan ko ng asin. Apot salt. Magluto na ng hapunan. Sometimes, mau, mau. Meow, meow, mau. Cook this like that only. Here we go. Gonna cook balot. From Pinay There we go. This is our dinner. Yummy. Here we go, sandwich for Mr. Christina Smith. Okay, this is ampalaya and okra for diabetes, for sickness. Ampalaya salad. Nilapuan ko lang itong ampalaya. I've just steamed the ampalaya and the okra. And you just put the garlic and tomato, that's it. Black pepper, a little bit salt, vinegar. Cider vinegar. No meat, just like this.
And shoot it. Yeah.
Kain, eat. Okra naman ulam ko. Okra and the one balot. Balot, duck balot. From Pinoy shop. Mashed potato. Salmon. Lovely. It's Valentine's today. Yeah, go and get it. You want the steak and T-bones and sausage. Barbecue. Oh, 5 years just now I used the barbecue. Huh? 5 years now before I use it. Look, they get rusty and never use it. Good for mosquito. Just sometimes for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day! Ano naman ang sili? We have a chili again. At saka ito pampabango sa pagkain. At saka pang paanghang. This is our dinner tonight. I'm gonna make mashed potato. And this is T-bones. I marinate now. I'm gonna cook in barbecue. T-bones. Yummy, yummy T-bones. Mashed potato partner with T-bones. Dinner for tonight. Ayan, I'm cooking early for our dinner. Nobody sleep yet, so. T-bones. I just brought it today. They smoke good for mosquito. For lamok, any insect. Husband loves in barbecue. Okay. Just cook. My chocolate cake flavor. Okay. Made a burger. Boiling beans, just boiling. Dinner.
With help from the latest
Now it's fire. Hi, Bob. Request barbecue. He like cook in the wood. Result now. Steak. Have a look if soft, tender from
Yeah, well, that's
Aldi.
what we got to try.
From Aldi meat. Dinner time.
heartbreaking moments in Israel's history.
Barbecue style.
We are going to bury two children who were snatched from their beds, brutally.
This is ampalaya and eggplant. And my ingredients. Garlic, onion. And the scraps of the barbecue. the meat, the steak meat. That's why it's a bit block. Put the scraps there. It's very simple like this. Ampalaya. Yeah. Eggplant. That's all. My breakfast, my lunch.